This is the modified Aufbau diagram. Is similar to the Aufbau diagram that usually we use to make electronic configuration of atoms or ions. But I modified to make it easier for you in such a way that you don't have to read the subshells diagonally. Instead, you can just read from left to right, just like the way you read normally. And another important part is in every subshell that I write here, I put in the cumulative number of the electrons until that, yeah, all these numbers here, yeah, until subshell. So for example, if you end until 4p6, that means you have 36 electrons until then. That make our working easier. Yeah, so it's the cumulative number of electrons at the bottom of this every subshell. You can make this yourself, or if you want to download, you can use this QR code to download this modified Aufbau diagram. It will open up my Miro, then you can copy that modified Aufbau diagram. In this video, we are going to make an example. We use example of tungsten 6, wolfram 6 plus. We are going to make electronic configuration of tungsten 6. The first thing that we do if we want to make electronic configuration of tungsten is to find the number of electrons there, number of protons and electrons, and we get that from the periodic table. So we look it up, we get the number is 74. What we do, we apply this modified Aufbau diagram. 74 electrons, and 74 is between 70 and 80, which is here. What is your conclusion? It simply means we are going to have a full 4F and partially full 5D. Yeah, that means it's 70 and this one will be 4 liter. Yeah. So the electronic configuration will end at 5D, but the 4F will be full. What we do, we erase the bottom part here. Yeah, because it's until 5D, then this one 6P, we out, this thing is out. So we copy that, yeah. We erase, remove all the other subshells, so it will stop until this 4F and 5D. Then we adjust the number here. This is 70 plus 4, total is 74. Yeah, until 4F is 70, then 4 on the 5D. Okay, then we have our electronic configuration for tungsten here. All this, we flatten out this diagram, yeah. Then this is the electronic configuration of tungsten. We read together 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f14, 5d4. Now, some of you might say, oh, this one electron from 4s moved to 5d. No, not true. Yeah. Tungsten is is a special case, not special case, is because is big. Yeah. So the repulsion in 6s is not strong enough to push away that electron to 5d. Yeah. Okay, so is this one 6s2, 4f14, 5d4. So the electronic configuration of tungsten 6, you must remove 6 electron. And you remove it from 6s and 5d because they are the outer layer. 4f is inside, in a shell. Yeah, so you remove these two. So you get this thing instead. Yeah. So we read again the electronic configuration of tungsten 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 4f14. That's the electronic configuration of tungsten 6.